In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste files, folders, or text in Windows 11, okay? So let's go to the first and fastest method. If it's a file you want to copy, you simply click on the file. I'll show you how to do this with text in a moment, okay? You click on the file, and after clicking on it, you hold down Ctrl and C on your keyboard. Press Ctrl and C together, and that's it. I've already pressed it here and copied it. Now what are you going to do? You're simply going to click on another location where you want to paste the file you copied. For example, I'm going to click here. By clicking anywhere that's empty, you just need to hold down Ctrl and V because that's the command to paste. You press Ctrl and V at the same time and it will paste. Notice that it was pasted down here. Now I have two versions of the program, okay? In this case, I showed you how to copy and paste a file, but it also works for folders. If you have a text and want to use the shortcut, how do you do it? It's quite simple to do. You just need to click with the primary left mouse button at the very beginning of the desired text, then carefully press and hold down the left mouse button and subsequently drag your cursor across the screen to meticulously select all of the relevant text that you wish to highlight. Once you've selected it, you then press Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl C, I pressed it. Now I'm going to scroll down here and press Ctrl V and it will be pasted here, okay? You press Ctrl V and it's pasted. It's very simple. Now let's go to the second method, which is using the mouse. Using the mouse, folks, is simple. You just need to right-click on the app or folder you want to copy. Just right-click. Notice that the menu might appear at the top. Like in my case, it appeared at the top, but it can also show up at the bottom, okay? Look for the copy option there. Click it, and that's it. I've copied this app. If I want to paste, notice that there's only one of this app here on the screen, and I'm going to click to paste. All you have to do is right-click now, and you'll see the paste option. I'll click it and done. The app has been pasted here. As I mentioned, it works for folders too, and it also works for text, okay? So here, basically, let me delete one of these texts. Done! For text, it's the same step-by-step process. Here's what you do. Click at the beginning, select the text, okay? Hold down the left mouse button, then release it. Now right-click. In my case, it appeared in Portuguese here because that's the language it's set to, okay? But here you'll see the copy option. Just click on copy. Done. Now you just scroll down and paste it wherever you want. It could be on another site, another page, it doesn't matter. I'm using it here in the same place, but you can paste it somewhere else. Just right-click with your mouse and the paste option will appear. Click it and it will be pasted, okay? So it's simple, but the new icons can be confusing at first. If this video helped you understand the new Windows 11 menu, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.